new day. Oh, Pennsy Supply with their cement mixer truck. They're pulling off the scene. Oh, you know. See the necklaces the kid has. That's what makes me. It feels like carnival. It feels like you're like at Great Adventure or Coney Island. You know, it's got that feel to it. All these lights. Chunky girl. So, I know. We're going down to Tennessee. Am I willing to do that? I've got a little golf cart thing. Blue LEDs on it. Ooh. Oh, this is the Hunter Towing Company. They do large loads, heavy haul. Yeah, this is all their company trucks. And we have Trust. Jeez, man, use cursive, man. I know it says Hill Garage. TROST. LE? Oh, man, come on now. Really? It's not that I can't read cursive. I can read cursive. Problem is the dude wrote right under the door lock. Trusthill. Trusthill Hill? So the flatbed, decked out. Green. That over there is a car carrier. Way back over there. And what do we got here? I guess these guys are leaving for the day. I want to get something to eat, I guess. Down there, you got the amber of a whole row of tow trucks. Yeah. Yes, sir. Party time. Party time. I'm coming up to the end of this row, so I'll come down the other one. Hey, look, a B-body station wagon. Yeah. Don't see any of those that much anymore. Ooh, a cattle hauler. You know? That's some more of a Hunter Towing and Contracting. They came out with the whole gang of company trucks. You know, Mercer Transportation, flatbed or dry van, and it's a car carrier, a sheltered car carrier. With a generator. Yeah, man. See? Escort truck, and this is another one of them pole trucks, them pole machine on an excavator. It's got purple illumination up in there. This one too, Vogel. This guy's got purple illumination. Another heavy equipment hauler. Red illumination. I gotta get out. You can't tell. It looks like the entire high beam the entire headlight is on, but it's not. Only a silhouette and LED sort of strip is on. Right over here, huge American flag, and this is the final row for the trucks. Everything past this. This is all of these amber lights from the same company, Heidi Joe Towing, out of Central Pennsylvania, someplace. I don't know. You want to tow, go Heidi Joe. If you want to tow, go Heidi Joe is here to help you. Heidi Joe, what do you know? Heidi Joe Tow. That's who you want to call. See? When we picks up your car, we will give you a can of okra on the house. No? Call Heidi Joe Towing and get that fried can of okra straight out the can. But these guys are going to sleep good tonight. They ain't going to sleep good tonight. Overstimulated. What do we got over here? F-350, Kenworth 680.
Thank God I'm getting
Barlow Tow. Come on down to Barlow Tow. Look just like Harley Joe. Give you a can of okra, don't you know? Chase. This is my first time coming all 3 days of the event, or an event just like this. Seriously, it reminds you of, the state fair.